You've probably been in a situation where two people in your network could benefit from knowing each other. Maybe one's looking for a job, the other is hiring, or maybe they make a great business connection. But how do you properly introduce two people on LinkedIn without it being awkward? Well, in this video, I'll show you the right way to introduce two connections on LinkedIn. So let's jump right in. First, you're gonna head over to your LinkedIn messaging. This is probably the easiest way to introduce people, and that's through a group message. You're gonna click on this icon right here to create a new message. From here, you're going to type in the names of the people you would like to introduce. So in this case, I want to introduce my buddy Cole and my buddy Matthew. The goal here is you want to make sure both parties know why they're being introduced and what they can benefit from it. So how do you properly introduce them? So here's a simple yet effective way to structure your introduction. First, you want to greet both people individually. Second thing, you want to give a reason for the introduction. Third, you want to highlight a key benefit for each party involved. And lastly, you want to encourage them to connect directly. Pause here or take a screenshot of this template. Here's an example where I will be introducing two people who can have a mutual benefit. Once you've drafted your message, before you hit send, make sure you proofread it first. So my message goes, "Hey Matthew, hope you're doing well. I wanted to introduce you to Cole, who has extensive experience in marketing and is eager to learn more about how to generate leads on LinkedIn. I figured you'd be the best person to help him, Cole. Matthew is our head of growth and sales here at Prospio. Our software has been used by hundreds of clients and is an absolute LinkedIn lead generation machine. I'm sure Matthew would love to give you a quick demo. I'll let you two take it from here. Hope you two have a great conversation. Best, Kevin." So go ahead and press send, and there you have it. This is the easiest way to introduce two people on LinkedIn. From here, Matthew and Cole can continue the conversation, and you've successfully helped two people build a valuable conversation. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and if you work in sales or marketing and you would like to learn more about generating leads on LinkedIn, be sure to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.